Forget regular omelets. Today we're taking homemade doner kebab meat and making a doner kebab omelet. Crispy, juicy doner, fluffy eggs, and all those awesome kebab flavors. This is the doner kebab omelet you didn't know you needed. Let's make it. Start by cracking 2 eggs in a mixing bowl. Mix the eggs until the yolk is mixed with the egg whites. Then add 1 tablespoon of milk and half a teaspoon doner kebab spice blend. You can find the recipe for the doner kebab spice blend on our channel and on our website. Now mix the ingredients really well. Then cut the doner kebab meat into 1-inch pieces. We use our homemade doner kebab meat in this omelette. You can check out the video for that on our channel. Next, melt 1 tablespoon butter in a medium hot skillet. Then pour in the egg mix into the pan and evenly distribute it in the skillet. When the eggs have started to become solid, sprinkle half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese on top of the egg. Then add half a cup of doner kebab meat, 1/4 cup finely chopped red onion, and 1/4 cup diced tomato. We love to hear from you, so please leave us a comment. Now carefully fold the omelette in the middle. And sprinkle the remaining half a cup of cheese on top. If you enjoyed this video, please share it. Cover the skillet with a lid and cook for 2 more minutes or so until the cheese is melted on top. For a full breakfast, add homemade doner kebab shop potatoes to the omelette and garnish with homemade doner kebab sauce and red chili sauce if you like. And there you have it, a super easy and super tasty doner kebab omelette. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.